The most versatile and adaptable machine on the face of the planet is the human being. We're great at stuff like that. We adapt, we change, we move, shift jobs in a heartbeat, do this, go do that. And because of this, we have a tendency, every time a job needs to be done, we put a person or persons to do that. The downfall of the human machine is that we lack both consistency and accuracy. We're also prone to injury, and we're not that strong. So we tend to throw persons or people at jobs where we shouldn't be. Yes, they're adaptable. Yes, they can kind of make it work. But we look around our plants and we see there's lots of jobs that require consistency, accuracy, etc. And you see that we got people doing it, groups of people doing it. But consistency and accuracy is not a human trait. You look at the best basketball players in the NBA. You would think, well, they're the best. They hit every shot. But they don't even hit every free throw. Kind of sad. Why? Because we're not good at accuracy and consistency. So one of the jobs you have that require accuracy, consistency, repeatability, any level of force, because human beings aren't that strong. I mean, the strongest man in the world picked up 1,200 pounds once. Well, almost killed him. We're not designed for power. Look around your factory. Look around your plant. Look around your line. Anything needs to be accurate? Anything needs to be repeated over and over and over and over again? Anything requires any kind of force or motion of any kind? Anything that where there's a line of fire, where it's heat, etc.? We have to look at replacing people there with machinery. Let the people run the machines, but don't have the people doing the work. Our throughput will go way up. Our waste and rejects will go way down. Machines don't take coffee breaks. They don't take lunch breaks. They don't have sick days. They don't have holidays. They will improve your bottom line to the point where you could reduce your prices, make the same amount of money, and get a lot more sales because now you're more competitive. I've seen numerous plants, they started automating and they thought, oh, we're going to lose everybody, and they ended up having to hire more people because they had got so much extra work that they needed more machine operators. And they had machines doing all these jobs that require accuracy, repeatability, force, danger, consistency, etc. So think about it. Walk your line. Look around. See where you need a machine. It's a good place to start when you want to make improvements on your process.